Hi guys, I'm Sany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a tutorial to do a reversed floral stamped mani. So let's begin. To begin with, I have already painted my nails with this beautiful red shimmery red shade from Sally Hansen. It's called Red Carpet. I have also applied white to my ring finger, which will be my accent nail, and that is the nail on which we will be doing the reverse stamping on. The shade that I have used today is White On from Sally Hansen. I have also used some liquid latex around my ring fingernail on which I will be stamping so that it is easier to clean up. Also, I have used a fast drying top coat on all my nails so that the polish is dry and the nails are ready to be stamped. The stamping plate that I'm using today is from the bornpretty store and it is called the Pure World L001. I will be using this bornpretty black stamping polish to pick up the image, and then I will be using the same red shimmery color to fill in the flowers, and then this green shade again from Sally Hansen called Limestone to fill in the leaves. And this is the image right here that we will be reverse stamping today. Also, I'll be using the clear part of this crystal stamper that I have reviewed recently. If you want to watch that video, the link will be given above and also will be linked in the description box below. So I'll be using this clear stamper so that I can see through it and there is no problem in the placement of the design. So yeah, let's begin. The image is now all filled with colors and it is also completely dry, so it is ready to be stamped onto the nail. So make sure that the image is completely dry to touch. It usually takes just around 5 minutes to be completely dry. So yeah, our image is now ready to be stamped. So let's go ahead and stamp it onto our nail. After stamping the image, carefully remove the liquid latex from around the cuticles and use a cleanup brush dipped in pure acetone to clean up the cuticles and around the edges of the nail. The cleanup is now all done and the nail is ready for the top coat, but I still feel that I should add something to the middle of the flowers to make them pop a little bit more. So I will be just dotting the centers of the flowers with a beautiful gold polish. And then we'll go ahead and top coat it. We are done dotting the center of the flowers, and now we will just give it a couple of minutes so that the polish can dry completely, and then we can go ahead and top coat it, and then we are done. And there you have it, a beautiful reverse stamped floral mani. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.